So I've been asked a number of times about how I painted the a few public benches that I've recently painted, what paints I've used. So in this video I'm going to explain exactly how I painted these benches and what kind of paints I used. Hi, I'm Anne-Marie Chung, visionary artist and creative adventure guide. I create art for your heart. So first of all, I made sure to give it a good priming. I used a white primer for most of my benches, and after the primer I used some Grafenstone paints. These are an eco-friendly latex paint, and after that I blended that in, and then I also used a combination of Posca paint markers. These are I think they're a medium size. And I did all the drawing with the Posca paint markers. Well, before that I did a rough drawing with pencil. And then after that was completely dried, I used a spray varnish, the Varathane, water-based outdoors crystal clear, so it won't yellow. So I used the one coat of spray varnish first, because in the past I have smudged some of the paint pens by using the brush-on varnish. So after that one coat is dry, and then I put 3 coats of a Dulux varnish over that. And it's important to use a lot of varnish if you're putting your artwork outdoors. That will make it last. And since these are benches, they can be easily wiped down if someone spills something on them. Well, that's about it. So good luck with your projects. And if you have any questions or comments, please comment below. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.